Hello, everybody. So, here is my backyard. My personal chessboard is pretty big, and initially, I wanted to make this video on another site where is a fancier chess set, but they didn't let me for these different reasons, and I decided, you know what, my backyard chess set, it's better than any other, because here everything starts. So if you want to have nice fresh air, you can do it yourself like I did it. You go to Home Depot and get some tiles and some sand, and you straighten up the place, and voila, you have a chess board. And you go online, you buy some chess pieces, and you are set with the info I will give you at my event. This will help you to get much better on chess and at chess, and to understand what this game has to offer, because basically it's a universe. It's a full universe in itself. um, you will discover a lot of secrets, and your understanding will become totally different if you come to my event. And there I will share with you what I collected over the years, and I'm sure you're thinking, because this is all about, it's how you think. um, some of my subscribers on the videos and on my blogs, they ask me, why are not all GMs if you have the logarithm and you find out the secrets of this game? Well, I'm telling you why. Because require a lot of meditation, thinking, and I think it's about getting out of limitations, to think totally different what this game can offer, and what can do for you. I'm so excited, and at my event, if you will be there, I will relieve all the secrets and everything what I collected. And what can I say? It's breathtaking, it's spectacular, and you will be very impressed. That's a guarantee. With this being said, I don't know how long this gusting wind will stay away, so I'm going to end this video telling you that I will offer you what maybe nobody can offer, because my thinking is totally different, and I will prove it in the next years when I will go for as high as I would be able to go, because the logarithm works especially for very smart people. I'm not very smart, I'm just a little bit above average, I think. but you can surprise me, and with my help and with this communication one-on-one, if you go further, we will find out how to apply the logarithm. Okay, go buy the tickets and see you at the event. Thank you and have a great day.